Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So today we start a new video on how we can automate a weather forecast, and we're going to receive everyday weather forecast on our email by authenticating or by connecting it via API key of that particular weather forecast application. So without having a further delay, let's get started. So this is just the basic idea that came to my mind, that how we can able to automate our weather forecast details and we can receive it on our email every day. So this is just the basic scenario. I took it and I am performing it on a platform called mac.com. So mac.com is basically a platform that gives you 1000 plus credit, and that helps you out creating end-to-end scenario where you can able to understand that how you can able to integrate it with Gmail, and also you're going to see the workflows as well. So without having a further delay, let's get started. What I did is that first I searched for mac.com. So this is the platform where you just have to log in or get started for free if you are first time logging. So this is basically a platform that helps AI automation. Here it's already written that you can visually build and orchestrate in a real time. So I just log into this particular application, and this is how its dashboard looks like. So first what I'll do is I'll go to the scenario, hold on for a while, just click on plus, and before that what I did was that I just go to this openweathermap.org, and here I have logged in with my credentials and they just gave me the API key as well. So how you going to do it is you go to this weather. So now what you will do is that you will going to click on openweathermap.org and you just click on APIs. Okay, and you can call explore one API, and under that you can able to find the API as well. And if you have any issues with that, just search it on Google, you get the better information. But under dashboard, you just go to the weather dashboard first, and here you can see you can add your country detail, and based on that you get the API keys as well. Basically the API key is to keep secure, that's why I can't be able to share you the details. So I just I've created this and I just created my API key. Now what I did was I just go here and I'll search for open weather map. So here is the open weather map. Under that I just select get current weather because I just need the current weather forecast. Here it is asking me of the city type, and I am living in Kuwait, so I'll type Kuwait city. So under cities, this is the detail. I just click on save. Now that's it. And here what I'll do is that I just click on the clock button, and here it is asking me to run the scenario. Now you can able to see that what I'll do is I'll click on every day and I'll select the time as 15:45. Every day at 3:45 I'll going to receive an email regarding the weather forecast of that particular day. I'll click on save and I'll activate the scenario. Now I'll click on another module, and here I'll search for Gmail. I've searched on Gmail. Now the Gmail has been searched. Now what I'll do is send an email because we are sending an email. So before that what you're going to do is that you're just going to click on add and just sign in with your Google credential when you're doing it for the first time. So let's do that as well. Now I'll just select my email address and I'll click on continue and press continue again, and here you can see that it is verifying my connection. Now the connection has been verified. Now it asks me the recipient details, that the whom I want to send. So I'll just going to write my email only. This is done. I'll write here as weather forecast daily. Now under body type what I'll do is I'll select the raw HTML code. So I'll select raw HTML code, and under content what I'll do is that I have created this HTML command, so you can write as well as yours. This is just the dummy, this was the practice, that's the reason. Now the temperature is here. I'll just click here and I'll select the temperature. Okay, and I'll remove the one that we have, the description. Again I'll click here and I'll click on description. This is it, and I click on save. So now before that what I'll do is that click on save button, and the scenario has been saved. And if you want to do the practice that whether you have received it or not, just click on run once. So you can see that if it comes as 1 means that your connection has been activated under Gmail and under your Google Map as well. Now let me just check the email that whether I've received it or not. The time here is 3:35 p.m. Just open. I just check weather forecast, and here you can see that I've received the email as 21.07 degrees Celsius and there's a light rain. So this is how you can automate, and it's a very good tool if you go with mac.com. I'll highly advise for the practice purpose, even if for your day-to-day automation activities. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a very good evening.